So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your Samsung camera has dirt behind the lens. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Now if we go and actually zoom into this camera, right, if we take a look, if you end up looking at your lens and you actually have some dirt, the first thing I'd recommend doing is just wiping down the lens with some sort of microfiber cloth. Don't use your fingers, but use like a t-shirt at worst. Go ahead and basically wipe it all down, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. You would actually be surprised how much you might think that there's dirt behind the camera lens when in reality it's actually in front of the camera lens. So try doing that. You want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, and that can very well end up being one of the main things you can end up doing here to end up fixing this issue. Now, on top of that, if that doesn't end up doing it, what I would recommend doing, what a lot of people recommend doing, is to go through and actually see if there's any openings for the cameras. If you have a crack within the camera, if there's anything like that, your best bet is to get and find a can of like compressed air. So they sell them at Walmart, they sell them at all over the place. Find a can of compressed air, wherever you can get your hands on it. And all you're going to want to do here is basically go through, take that can, and basically spray it on the edges of any openings you see on your camera, or just spray it around the phone. What's going to happen there is it's going to loosen up that particular dirt. It's going to make that dirt fall out. And then you're essentially just going to have to kind of wait it out and just keep trying to shake it out and whatever. And that might end up fixing it for you. Those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. And that's exactly what I would also recommend doing as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.